Have you ever pondered over the idea of becoming a successful freelancer? Well, the journey might seem daunting at first, but with a well-defined path and a sprinkle of perseverance, it's an achievable feat. Firstly, identify your skill set. What are you good at and what do you enjoy doing? These skills can range from graphic design, writing, programming, consulting, or even tutoring. Remember, the beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to capitalize on your unique abilities and passions. Once you've nailed down your skill set, it's time to build a portfolio. This serves as your professional showcase, displaying your best work and illustrating your abilities. Think of it as your shop window, enticing potential clients with your top-notch offerings. Next, set your rates. This step can be tricky and might require some research. Consider factors like the complexity of the task, the time it will take, and what others in the field are charging. But remember, as you gain more experience and improve your skills, don't be afraid to raise your rates. Now it's time to find clients. There are numerous platforms out there designed to connect freelancers with potential clients. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can be good starting points. Alternatively, networking both online and offline can also lead to valuable contacts and opportunities. Once you've secured a client, it's crucial to deliver quality work. Maintaining a high standard and meeting deadlines not only satisfies your clients, but also increases your chances of getting repeat business and referrals. Lastly, always keep learning. The freelance industry is dynamic and ever-evolving. Upskilling and staying current with industry trends will keep you relevant and competitive. So, to recap, the journey to becoming a successful freelancer starts with identifying your skills, followed by building a solid portfolio. Then, you need to set your rates and find clients. Delivering quality work and continuously learning are the final but ongoing steps. Remember, freelancing offers freedom and flexibility, but it also requires discipline and dedication. It's not an overnight success, but with persistence and passion, you can carve out a successful freelance career. So why not take the plunge and start your freelancing journey today? Who knows? You might just find that it's the best decision you've ever made.